My name is Koti from Liberia. I've been suffering for this spine. No way. I would not know that I was spine, but later on, send me for tests. Who told me say that I was spine. So the only place, two places, either Ghana or India. But then I chose India to come. And that's why I came. So we do the spine surgery. It's okay. So I thank you, because I was not only spine department, spine sickness alone. If I was a spine sickness alone, then I jumping up. But I tell God, thank you for him. Do the surgery for the spine. Pain was too much in me, because for the surgery, the pains, I can't really feel pain like before. So I tell God, thank you. In the hospital, they care for people. They can care for people. And the king, they care for me until everything, the doctor, nurse, the spine doctor, he's good. So I tell God, thank you. Even my brother helped me to come here. I tell him thank you too. I tell God, thank you for Color and his friend that they were in front of us to go through. And I do tell everyone of them, thank you. Dr. Nikhil Jain, thank you. Let God give you strength. God give you long life for your job. You know the job perfect. Thank you, and you know how to talk with people. You know how to relate with people. I like his service. So I tell God, I tell him thank you.
Mrs. Annie Coco is a 45-year-old female. She came to me from Liberia. She has been suffering from severe low back pain and bilateral leg pain going down both the legs for many years. In Liberia, she went to multiple hospitals for the treatment and she was investigated. In the background, Annie also suffers from rheumatoid arthritis and she has bloating, severe bloating issues, that is gastrointestinal problems. So when she went to her local hospitals, initially she was told that her back pain and leg pain is coming from the rheumatoid. Somebody told her that it is due to the bloating, so she kept on changing her medications, changing her diet, but it didn't help. Finally, she went to a referral hospital, tertiary hospital in her country, and then they told her that it's a spinal issue which needs to be managed. So she looked for options. She came to India. She came to Manipal hospitals and then consulted me. And we did her scans, X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, and we found that she has a severe slip in the spine of L4 over L5 due to a fracture in a spinal bone, which was causing the pressure on the nerves, and that was the reason why she had back pain and leg pain for so many years, and she was not able to walk. So we gave her options. We told her that she will need spine surgery. I'm a consultant spine surgeon here, and we treat these conditions every day. Now, we also then investigated her for rheumatoid arthritis and bloating, and she had those tests positive. She was advised endoscopy for the bloating. For the spinal point of view, I did a spinal decompression and fixation, in which I opened up a spine, I fixed the spine with the screws, and then I pulled it back to a normal position, and I freed the nerves by taking the pressure off from them. After the surgery, Annie was in the hospital for four days, and she was with the help of the physiotherapist and physiotherapy. Because of a long-standing issue, we made her walk next day onwards, but she's gradually coming back to her normal life. Her posture has been bent down for so many years, but now it is now almost a month in surgery, and she's walking comfortable. She does not feel any pain down the legs, and she's very happy that one of her three problems has been sorted. Now, for the rheumatoid arthritis, we have specialists available. The rheumatologist, they have given her medications which she has to carry back home and continue for a long time. For bloating, we consulted, We sent her to our top gastroenterologists, and they have advised her endoscopy, and then they will advise further treatment. She's happy that one of her issues is resolved. The rest of the problems will get resolved gradually with the medications. I'm happy that they traveled this far, especially when the funding was done by her brother, and she feels that it was worth coming to Manipal hospitals in Delhi and then getting treated. I'm glad that she's happy. Thanks.